you an avid follower of Louis Vuitton Instagram sites? If so, you probably have come across the multi-pochette accessoire more than once. Today I'm going to show you how to put together pieces that you probably already have in your collection, so that way you can save your money or invest in a handbag that is completely different. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your very own multi-pochette accessoire. If you follow Instagram, you probably have seen a bajillion pictures of the upcoming Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire. This is essentially 3 SLGs that Louis Vuitton kind of put together onto a bag, and I'm going to show you how easy it is just to make your very own with pieces you might already have in your collection without having to go out and spend more money on a whole new handbag. This is a super highly coveted piece all over Instagram, so when it comes out and hits stores, it will probably be very difficult to find, because I'm sure with all of the pre-orders it's probably already sold out, and I'm sure that you don't want to have to pay above retail for this. I think it's going to be coming in at the $1,100 or $1,500 range. And what's also really cool with this collection is they are going to be selling a similar strap separately. So you can take all of the tips and tricks that I share with you today and put that towards adding on the actual strap from the collection, so you save yourself a little bit of money and essentially get the same bag. Now I am going to be doing a video on how to score these highly coveted pieces, which can be very difficult to find, so be sure to check that out. So this is what I had come up with. It is essentially a mini pochette, a pochette accessoire or pochette accessories, a strap. I just used my bandolier strap from my Speedies, and then this is the coin pouch. And I did purchase some hooks and O-rings in order to piecemeal this all together, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I purchased these little lobster clasps online, and I will link everything down below for you. And I just attached it to an O-ring and then onto the zipper part of my coin pouch, and I just clasped it right onto my bandolier strap. Now down here, it was a little bit trickier because I wanted to make sure that these were lined up nice and level, so that way when you actually do wear it, it looks like it's supposed to go together and it's not just some mismatched bags that were kind of hooked on. So on this side, I did add one hook right here with an O-ring, and on this side I had to make it a little bit longer, so I did use a couple of links of chain. So first you're going to need some chain, just a couple of links, 4 O-rings, 3 lobster clasp hooks, your coin pouch, your pochette accessoire, your mini pochette, a bandolier strap. Any strap will work as long as it has some area for you to be able to hook the coin pouch to, and then a couple of pliers. You don't necessarily need needle nose pliers. So first you're going to attach the O-ring onto your lobster clasp, just like that. So you have one O-ring on the lobster clasp. You're going to take your other lobster clasp, you're going to do the exact same thing, and then you're only going to need 2 links from this chain. Now, depending on the size of chain you get, if you do get a different size of chain, then you might need a different number of links, but for this particular chain, you just need the 2. Then we're going to use our pliers to separate out those links in order to get the 2 that we need, and then we're going to put those 2 links onto the O-rings. Just like that. Now with this last O-ring, you can either attach it to the lobster clasp first or onto the coin pouch and then the lobster clasp later. And you're gonna pop that right onto the zipper pull. So once you have the lobster clasp on your coin pouch, that piece is ready to go. So when you're ready to attach the lobster clasps to your pochettes, you're going to want to line the pochettes up. You're going to put the mini pochette on top of the pochette accessoire with the chain in front. Make sure that the zippers are going in the right direction and the 2 Vachetta tabs are on the same side. We're going to start by hooking the shorter of the 2 lobster clasps without the chain links onto the side where the zipper begins. Then we are going to take our lobster clasp that does have the 2 chain links and put it on the other side with the Vachetta tabs. Make sure the chain from the mini pochette is in front of the clasp. Once you have the clasps in place, go ahead and hook on your bandolier strap, pop the coin pouch on the strap hinge, and you are ready to go. And that is your very own multi-pochette accessoire. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more Louis Vuitton and luxury hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that we are notified every time I make a new video. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.